Unlock the secrets to preparing Costco's incredible crab for a truly unforgettable seafood feast. First things first, let's talk about getting that amazing Costco crab home. You'll likely find it raw and chilled. So proper handling and storage until you're ready to cook are key. Keep it on ice or in the coldest part of your refrigerator. Now, let's dive into preparation. We'll cover two fantastic methods: steaming and boiling. Steaming is fantastic for preserving that delicate crab flavor and natural moisture. For steaming, fill a large pot with about 2 inches of water. You can add aromatics like lemon slices, garlic cloves, or even a bay leaf to infuse the crab with extra flavor. Bring the water to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, carefully place your crab legs into the steamer basket. Making sure they aren't overcrowded, cover the pot tightly and steam for about 5 to 8 minutes, depending on the size of the crab legs, until they turn a vibrant bright red and are heated through. Alternatively, boiling is a quicker method and also delicious. Fill a large pot with enough water to completely submerge the crab again. This is your chance to season the water. Think salt, peppercorns, a splash of vinegar, or even Old Bay seasoning. Bring the water to a vigorous boil, then carefully add your crab legs. Boil for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Again, depending on the size, until the shells turn bright red and the crab is fully cooked. Regardless of your chosen method, the goal is a perfectly cooked, sweet, and succulent crab. Once cooked, immediately remove the crab from the heat. Now for the fun part: a circumflex euros seasoning. A simple melt of butter with a squeeze of fresh lemon is a classic for a reason. You can also get creative with garlic butter, a spicy aioli, or even a dusting of Old Bay for that extra kick. Serve your beautifully prepared Costco crab immediately with plenty of melted butter and your favorite dipping sauces. It's perfect for a casual weeknight dinner or the star of your next gathering.